this episode of Vegan Viking Kitchen, we are going to be making Kung Pao chickpeas. Let's get started. Okay, so here are the ingredients for marinating our Kung Pao chickpeas before cooking them. The exact amounts will be listed in a link that I leave in the description below to my blog. So we have our chickpeas, crushed white pepper, garlic and ginger minced, cornstarch, apple cider vinegar, agave, tamari, or use soy if you're not gluten intolerant, and we have apple cider vinegar. If you have rice vine vinegar, that's fine. I couldn't find it. So now we'll transfer everything to a container. Close it. Give it a good mix like this. I'm going to set this in the fridge to marinate for 1 hour. So for our sauce, we have agave, apple cider vinegar, or like I said, you could do rice wine, tamari. I'm not adding salt to this because my tamari is a bit salty. If your tamari is less salty, the choice is yours. White pepper. You could use black if you'd like. I find white better in Asian recipes. Mix in the cornstarch. Now we will set this aside to marinate. Now that our chickpeas have marinated for enough time, we shall start cooking them. Add your oil to a pan and let the oil heat up. Once our oil is hot enough, our chickpeas can now go in. Make sure you drain them of their liquid. Cook them until they're nice and golden brown. They've goldened up nicely. I'm taking my rice off. Those are also ready. Next, to our pan, we are adding the garlic, ginger. You could use green onions, chives. I didn't have them, unfortunately. I'm using red. Chilies, use as many as you want. I like my stuff spicy. Sesame seeds. I'm putting half now and half at the end. And our peanuts. Cook this for another couple minutes. About 2, depending on how crunchy you still want your vegetables to be. I prefer them to be a bit on the crunchier side. Now we shall add in our sauce. Keep stirring so that the cornstarch does not stick to the bottom of the pan. And here it is. Our plated Kung Pao chickpeas with the Basmati rice. This meal gives me 30 grams of protein. Plus I'm going to have a mixed spinach salad on the side. It'll give me another couple of grams. There's only one thing left, you guys. It's almost like eating spicy candy. The trick with this dish is you have to make sure that the chickpeas are coated very well with the cornstarch so that they caramelize better and become nice and crispy. Not sure if you hear the crunch with the microphone. Let me see. If you're looking for more kick-ass, high-protein, vegan meal ideas, follow me on Instagram. My name is Vegan Viking Kitchen. Also check out veganvikingkitchen.com for recipes like this one and many more. Until next time, keep it vegan.